You have access to the Audi Functions Store in your myAudi app. In the store, you can purchase additional functions for your Audi, view license periods, and renew expired licenses. Whether it's the Matrix LED headlights or digital light signatures, which functions you can purchase depends on your country, vehicle model, and vehicle equipment. In addition, vehicles can be equipped at the factory with various Audi Connect packages that combine different services. These packages can be renewed in the Audi Functions Store at any time once the license has expired. Select the function you want to purchase from the overview. Scroll down for more information. You can purchase functions as you require them and choose from the license periods offered. Press the I symbol for more information. Choose a license period and press Go to Checkout. When you make your first purchase, select whether you are a private or business customer. This setting cannot be changed once confirmed. Then enter your billing address. Save your data. The first time you make a purchase in the Audi Functions Store, you will need to add a payment method. This data will be saved for subsequent purchases. Press Add Payment Method. Confirm that you agree to the Audi Pay terms of use. Select a payment method and enter your data. Save your data. Press Confirm to add your payment method. Press Continue to Order Overview and check the data you entered is correct. Read and accept the terms of use and press Commit to Buy to complete your purchase. Your new function will be available the next time you start the vehicle and will be shown as activated in the Audi Functions Store.